Hello everyone. This is an example of a very beautiful birthday cake for girls with a Hello Kitty and My Melody birthday cake theme from Sanrio. I created this cake decoration model in 2026. It is perfect for those of you who are looking for the latest birthday cake reference ideas with the Hello Kitty and My Melody theme. Special figure dolls. I have shared all the characters from Sanrio, starting from Kuromi, My Melody, Cinnamoroll, Hello Kitty, and other Sanrio characters. I hope it inspires you.